This is just a quick demo on how to install your Fusion Optics. So you take the battery cover off the remote, stretch the lens out, get the middle of the lens and run it on, and do the sides. Here are the stickies for the corners. Pin them down like this. The stickies are awkward to get off sometimes, but just be patient. Like so. Make sure these pits are all pushed down nice and tight. Run along the edge and take a look. Make sure they're all in like that. Stops them from coming off later on. So what I like to do here is I measure the TV. To get the camera in the middle, I put a little bit of tape on there. It's just a little trick to make things easier. Pop the adhesive cover off here. Adjust your camera and pop it on the middle in line with your tape. Press it down nice and firmly and that it's level, and take off your tape. At the back we get one of our stickies, and the idea here is to support the wire at the back of the camera to keep it level, like so, and then connect your wires, your USB to the USB on the TV, wherever that may be. Like so. And then you connect to your lights. Now this connection here will only go one way, as you can see here. So you push them in until you hear a click. These should go easily, because if they're not, you twist them around the wrong way. And then tidy up your cables. In this case we can just put them along our bracket here, and that's more or less it. So that is a brief demonstration on how you install your Fusion Optics on a 55-inch TV.